I'm going to talk about the best way to heat a pizza. One of the worst ways that you can ever use is a microwave. Don't use it. Don't use a microwave to heat a pizza. Better, you could put it in an oven, heat it up to 375 or so, put it on a cookie sheet lined with aluminum foil, for 5 or 10 minutes. That's a great way to do it. But I think the best way to do it is to use a pan to heat it right up on the stove. So let me get started. Let me show you. I'm using a cast iron pan, and I think that is really the best way. They really retain the heat, but any frying pan will work. But cast iron really does a good job. So the first step is you want to heat it up to about medium for a couple of minutes. Let it get good and hot. Once the pan heats up, you can add your slice. And kind of put it on the side. And then you want to put a couple of drops of water and cover it for a couple of minutes. You want to let your water do its thing and kind of steam the slice a little bit. Let's take a look. Oh, there it is. It's looking really good. The cheese is melting. The pepperoni is hot. Let me take it out of the pan. See how it looks. And there you have it. And this slice is ready to get eaten by me. Now, again, you can use an oven, put it at 375 or so for a couple of minutes. You can certainly do it in the pan, which I recommend, but don't use a microwave. So, enjoy your pizza, and pizza on earth. Goodwill to all. Okay, I'm halfway through the slice. I had to come back and say, what I like about it is the bottom is crispy. Came out really well. Cheese is melty. Slice is still hot. Great way to reheat leftover pizza. It'll work for any pizza. But remember, don't use a microwave. Please, do not. An oven works better, a lot better. The pan works great. Enjoy your pizza. Pizza on earth. Goodwill to all. If you could show a little pizza love and subscribe, enjoy your slices.